Darling, you.
Hi guys. So, wala lang. Naisipan ko lang bigla, why not? Turn on the camera and talk to it, right? Sobrang intense ng AM class. But, we powered through it. I think it's already 5 or 4. Maybe it's just dark. Mga 4. And I started my day today late because I slept at like 5 a.m. I was talking with my best friend, Pards, and we always have these moments na parang, you know, weekend, so parang you're motivated, okay, next week, fresh start na talaga, ganyan. And I don't necessarily think it's a bad thing because sometimes talaga unexpected things happen and you have to adjust accordingly, and for the most part, like, at least you get things done, and in the process, like, you still enjoy what you're doing, and you know, like, you still power through each day. Now I just have my chat time, super happy about that, and I'm just gonna, I guess, plot my week next week and accomplish as many things as I can. This is my schedule last week. Para daw siyang menu. Done taking a bath. I feel fresh. So, anong gagawin ko? I'm gonna continue finishing the Notion thingy. Actually, I'm done with the layout of everything. I just need to input my tasks and input my schedule.
Pero okay lang naman kung gagawin natin yun. No problem.
Word per word o word for word? Sige nga, anong tama din, Jess? Sagutin mo nga.
Different school, different pronunciation. Ayos.
Dinner time. Gonna eat. We're gonna have seafood. So, dinner's done. I was able to wash the dishes na rin. So, we're good. So, back to work. Bababa ko. Bababa. Let's go. Okay, so I'm at my grandparents' office and I'm late. Kasi hindi ko pa nasa-set up yung printer sa taas and feeling ko wala rin yung cute. Di ko alam ba't ang email niya, pero hindi lang, laban. So, I'm going to watch Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. Share, kasi... Okay, joke. Okay. Let me calm down. So, may nakita kasi akong spoiler sa feed ko. Kaya, wala akong choice. Panoorin ko na. Kasi... But, okay, whatever. Calm down. I'm just gonna watch this now. Oh my gosh. There's an earthquake. Kasi nag-video ako, like I'm filming. I was filming. And then, biglang narinig ko yung sinabi mo na, oh my gosh, lumilindol. Tapos ako, parang wala. Tapos biglang, parang nag-lag sa akin yung lindol. Tapos biglang na-feel ko rin. Tapos, ayun, pero wala siya now. Guys, yung kilig ko, please! Gabi yun. Din ko ito yung kilig meter. Bang, andon. As amazing episode. Okay, next weekend ulit. Good morning. Hi guys, so I just finished eating breakfast. Right now, we're gonna open my parcel! It arrived today! I'm so excited. And of course, ito na po. It's so scary. Mamaya paggupit ko nun, maggupit ko yung photo card. It's so cute! Okay, yun lang. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog compilation, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so I hope to see you guys next time. I'll try my best to upload consistently. Thank you again for stopping by, and I hope you guys have a great day. And remember na kaya nyo yan, kung ano man yan, kaya nyo yan. Tiwala lang. So yeah, bye guys!